27th of October today. Beautiful, clear, blue sky day. After the last week, heavily chemtrailed every day. Obviously killing the rain with the storm front that came through. We only got 2 millimetres. A storm that potentially could have been good rain. And they certainly made sure they dispatched that swiftly and without any rainfall. Now I'm going to show you the delight of our garden, the bees. This is Joan after 90 days of being housebound and bedbound most of the time, able to get up, get herself dressed and on the road to improvement.